Welcome back to the house. We're doing the exact opposite of what we did in the last video. Plumbing. Yes!
Happy to be here.
We can't wait to get wet.
We getting wet?
I don't know, don't you always get wet when you're plumbing?
Well, when I plumb.
Like father, like son. Get it. As you can see in the to-do list, we're knocking some stuff off of this.
Okay, glad to hear it. Oh, you're not talking to me. You were talking to them. No time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time for that.
All right, come on, we're going home.
All right, guys, we quit. We see you in the next video.
We weren't quitting. We were going to get some frickin' tools so we could work.
You know what'll really just help us out? Listen to some Don't Stop Believing. On to that feeling, where is the bells? All right, well, do we have any bells somewhere? Do I gotta go get some, or?
We're gonna go home, we're gonna look in the garage, we're gonna get down the laundry.
We're gonna scream! You did it, Dad.
What'd I do?
Shook me all night long.
What'd you do with the ladder?
Just like this.
We can cut in here and go across.
I feel like this would be easiest.
Then we don't have to drill holes.
Just throw 2 T's in here and then we'll run that in.
I was kind of thinking we'd put it on this wall.
I think it's better.
So the shower head sprayed right in the doorway.
Well, then that means more people could get a shower at once.
The people out there,
Yeah, the people
get a shower
outside.
while you're sitting on the toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
You're killing 2 birds with 1 stone.
Maybe 3. Well, it would work kind of as a bidet.
It would.
Yes.
In a way.
A full body bidet.
Oh, my ladder's getting all wet.
Got your rings?
Ringy dingy. I can hit all these real quick.
Yeah, you can crimp them.
Crimp it! I did it.
Guess what? How long's it been since we turned the water off?
I don't know.
It's been like 10 minutes since we turned the water off.
Yeah, you got to pee yet?
I gotta pee. It's okay if I pee down this shower drain?
Blue?
81 inches.
Do we want to go?
Yeah, we can do blue. 79, 81 and 79. Cut it at 81. Right through, don't cut the tape now.
Right through the tape.
We use most tapes here. Every time we cut something, we need a new tape.
We did not account for how many tapes we would need in the budget of building this house. Every single cut. Good thing we haven't done any framing. I mean, it would be astronomical. Sorry,
Guys, all right? Didn't mean to drop that pipe on you.
We don't have workman's comp, so yeah.
Yeah, if you get hurt here, we just dig a hole and put you in. We say you didn't come to work today.
And we're pretty proficient in digging holes, so.
Don't cut my thumb.
Those are almost as expensive as tapes. I'll tell you one thing, buddy. Oi! 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 That behind you, I am singing while my dad is working for free.
I put it in this pants. There it is.
You got too many
I
pockets.
got too many pockets.
You're a pocket man.
Pocket man. So I took my shirt off.
Now you're cold.
No. All the stuff I had in the pockets is out here.
You know, Mom told me that she's not getting Heinz ketchup anymore. After she had that glass, she's not getting Heinz ketchup anymore. We are Pittsburghians. We don't eat any other ketchup than Heinz.
So I'm thinking, just crimp that all up, Mr. Crimper.
Let me see your finger.
No. Done?
Done.
Crimp it all?
Oh, it's all crimped. Crimped de la creme.
Okay, crimp those up. You gotta be the best at that.
41.
Okay. Cut me 141.
Cut you blue, 41.
Blue 41! We gotta drill 2 holes that line up here to get that tube through.
So guys, we're gonna hook this shower up with this curve, okay? And that then turns this to a luxury piece of property because we have the luxury shower amenities.
Drill holes, you're just gonna stand there with your thumb in the air.
Just hoping to just stand there with my thumb in the air. Flip, 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 flip.
Quit flipping that off. 90 down, because that's the end of the hot. We don't need hot for the toilet, unless you want to plumb the toilet with hot water.
Ain't
No?
nothing like some dookie stew, am I right, Dad?
Okay, so we want this cut so it runs down this wall.
Very, very technical what I'm about to do. So I want you to lock in. I want you to see what I'm doing. Boom. Arm in the corner. Okay? No bend in wrist. I'm going straight up. It's perfect. Never doubt a true 90.
We're going to want to cut it, put a 90 on, and try to run it down like here.
Holy smokes, it's starting to feel like a bathroom.
That's good, because I got to poop.
Guys, we're plumbing experts.
Oh, we're spurts anyways.
Come and have a look at the bathroom. Wow. Is that a vanity? This actually looks like a bathroom, Dad.
It's starting to.
We got the vanity. We got to plumb the sink up, but that'll get done throughout the week. Still don't have a toilet, but that'll get done. Stay tuned for the shorts because all this little stuff is happening on the shorts. Toilet hookup, and then we have our shower hookup. All PEX fittings crimped by yours truly. Nothing leaks.
That's metal. There you go.
And it's a great day. The only thing to make this day better is to travel to Home Depot and spend $100 on this stuff to do throughout the week. So we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Love ya.